What if I told you that simply swapping out your rug could completely transform your room in just minutes? In this video, I'll show you how a simple rug swap can instantly refresh your space, making it look more stylish, cozy, and put together without breaking the bank. Definition: a rug swap transformation hack is the easy process of replacing an old or mismatched rug with a new one to dramatically change the mood, color balance, and design flow of your room. Why importance? Rugs aren't just floor coverings. They define spaces, add warmth, control acoustics, and tie your entire decor together. The right rug can make a small room feel bigger, a dull room brighter, and a messy space more organized. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Clear the area by moving furniture off your old rug. Step 2. Roll up and remove the existing rug. Step 3. Vacuum or clean the floor underneath. Step 4. Lay down your new rug, making sure it's centered and aligned with the room. Step 5. Place furniture back, adjusting spacing to highlight the rug's design. Step 6. Add finishing touches like cushions or throws that complement the new colors. Tools explained. You'll need a vacuum cleaner for floor prep, rug pads for grip and safety, and a measuring tape to ensure proper fit. Workflow: clear greater than. Remove greater than, clean greater than, position greater than, style. This smooth sequence ensures no mess, no stress, just a fast and effective makeover. Quick tips: choose a rug size larger than your coffee table for a balanced look. Use patterns to add energy in plain rooms, and neutral tones to calm busy spaces. Always use a rug pad to prevent slipping and extend rug life. Cost comparison: a full room makeover can cost hundreds or thousands of dollars. A simple rug swap, depending on style, can cost as little as $50 to $150 while giving you the same dramatic before and after effect. And there you have it, a quick rug swap that completely transforms your space with minimal cost and effort. If you love this before and after hack, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more simple home upgrades, and share this idea with someone ready for a mini makeover.